Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module I want to show you how you can display the days of the week for a date. So what I'm going to do first of all is get the date, today's date on the screen. To do that I'm going to use Control and semicolon. That will put today's date on the screen. Now that is a date stamp. I'll just make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. That's a date stamp. That will not change. But if I want that to say Saturday, and if I pull this across, I want that to say Sunday and Monday, what I've got to do is, well, there's two options. I can do a formula or I can format the cells. Now, the quickest way and the shortest way in terms of saving memory would be to format cells. But first, I just want to explain what the weekday function will do. So if I just go equals weekday, capture this cell inside brackets, so that'll tell me what the weekday is for each of those. Tick that. So that's formatting that as date. I want that to be general. So it comes back with a 7, and this one should come back with a 1, and then that will be a 2. So that's what the weekday function does, Sunday being the first day of the week. But I want that to say Saturday, and I want that to say Sunday, or sun, sat, sun, mon, abbreviations. Now I could do an if statement, so I'll do a little bit of an if statement and then you can see how that works, but this is a very long-winded way of doing it. So equals if, so if that cell, in fact if I do it like that, if I go weekday inside this, well, weekday G2 equals 7, so that would be the Saturday, comma, I want that to say Saturday or sat, and then I can do another if statement, so I'll just do it for Sunday. So comma if weekday G2, still G2, close the bracket on G2, equals 1, comma, that's going to be Sunday, and then close the bracket on the if. Now if I just tick that for a second, so that's saying Saturday, and if I pull that across, that will say Sunday. So that's okay, but that would be quite a big formula. That'd have to be picking up every day of the week. Another way of doing it, and a tidier way I think, is just this. If I sit in this cell and type equals, and then click on that date, and then just press enter on that, that'll give me the same date. But this time I want to format this to display the days of the week. So it's just going to be linked to that, but it's going to tell me that it's a Saturday. Now the way to do that is Control and number 1 will get you into format cells, and then you can just customize the code down here to display what you want. So I want that to be 3Ds. It doesn't matter about case sensitive. Click OK, and then that will say Saturday, and then that will say Sunday, and then that will say Monday, etc., etc. So as you pull this date across, this is just a simple equals formula. It's not using a lot of memory, and then that will just pull it in. So that was just a very quick video, is how you can get the days of the week displayed very quickly with a very simple formula. So hopefully that's been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.